Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this week's assembly. Or, to put it another way, bonjour et bienvenue à notre assemblée française. That's right, this week's assembly is a French one. It's my first time giving an assembly all by myself, and I'm going to admit to you, I'm a little bit nervous about it. Lots of new technology to get used to, lots of trying to sort out all the recordings, but I think it's quite good to challenge yourself, isn't it? It's good to try new things because that's how you develop new skills. So I'm going to give it a go and hopefully it will record okay. Do you remember last year when I helped Mrs. Musk with her French assembly? We read you a story. It was called The Owl Babies. In French, we say Les Bébés Chouettes. We took it in turn to read each of the pages to you first in English and then in French. And it was good to hear the difference in the French and English words. And what I thought was really interesting was it wasn't just the story words that had obviously changed, it was also the names of the characters to make them more suited to a French-speaking audience. As many of you know, one of my absolute favourite hobbies is reading books. And actually I have a real love for children's books. Did you know that many of the books that you read at home have already been translated into lots of different languages so that other children around the world can read them too? It might well be that some of the stories that you read at home have been translated from another language into English. Today, we're going to be having a go at counting objects in French and finding out, not yet, Bertie, finding out their French names. We are also going to be recapping French days of the week, which I know some of you have been practicing in your home learning. To help me with all this, I have invited a very special guest who I am so pleased to see again, and I'm sure you will be too. It's Bertie the Birthday Bear. Hi Bertie. Are you ready to get started? Okay, let's go. First, let's practice counting in French. Try to repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Très bien, well done. So let's find out what Bertie counted this week. On Monday, Bertie counted 1 pencil. The way we say Monday in French is lundi, and the way we say a pencil in French is un crayon. Un crayon. On Tuesday, Bertie counted 2 butterflies. Now to say Tuesday in French, we say mardi, mardi. And to say a butterfly in French, it's un papillon, papillon. Bit tricky that word. Let's count them in French. 1, 2, papillon. On Wednesday, Bertie counted 3 oranges. To say Wednesday, you can say mercredi, mercredi. And he counted, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, orange. The word for orange in French is orange. On Thursday, Bertie counted 4 books. To say Thursday, we say jeudi. Let's count the books. 1, 2, 3, 4 livres. That's how we say books, we say livres. On Friday, Bertie the Bear counted 5 pens. To say Friday, we say vendredi. Let's have a look at those pens a little bit closer up. Here we go, let's count them in French. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 pens, 5 stylos. Perhaps we could look at the colours in French. To say red, we say rouge. To say orange, you would say orange. For yellow, you would say jaune. For green, vert. And for blue, bleu. Thanks for your help, Bertie. Merci. Well done for counting along with me and practicing your days of the week. Let's have another look at them just so we don't forget. So here's how you say Monday. Lundi. Mardi. Mercredi. Jeudi. Vendredi. Samedi. And finally, dimanche, Sunday. And that brings us to the end of this week's assembly. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you also got to practice saying some of your French. Maybe you counted along with me, or perhaps you joined in with days of the week. Either way, it's a really good thing to try out speaking new languages. Say them out loud, see how they sound. Maybe you could try out some words on a member of your family. Tell them what you've learned. I hope you have a good rest of your week. Stay safe, everybody, and hopefully see you soon. Bye.